Hey, good evening. How are you?
Alright.
Okay, so this is the one. It's an iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's what you say. Okay, perfect. This is gonna take like about 15 minutes, okay?
Okay, I'll be in the house.
Okay, perfect. I'll let you know when it's ready.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. The screw is kind of damaged, so I need to be careful. iPhone 11 Pro Max with original screen actually. This is the water seal for iPhone SX Max and iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is basically the same one. I know that it's not normal that people with basic technologies they install the water seal, but I rather like to install always. And this is garbage already. I don't like to use all screws. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's ready. We're going to give this phone back. Okay, it's ready.
Okay. Did she already told you she's
gonna send me through Cash App.
Okay.
Yes,
All
that's
right.
what she said.
Thank
Okay,
you.
you're welcome. Have a great night. Okay,
You
anything
too.
you need, we'll help you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
You've been here a couple times, right?
Yes.
You've been here a couple times, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Actually, I've been here a couple times.
Okay.
That's right.
All right. Have
Yes.
a good night.
You too.
Drive safe.
Okay, we're done, people. Let's go to the next one.